It's playing. All you have to do is aim. I'm sorry. If you feel used, you don't have to do this. I find it incredibly amusing.
I see the cat. I don't see you. Up a little bit more. Do I have to push anything?
Nope. Neat. Brown.
You're fixing to run off. Well, I can't keep you in one place, cat. You just keep moving on me. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Here.
I'm sorry about that if you...